Hey there. So हम लोग की दीदी नहीं आ रही थी and I thought that I wanted to eat something tasty but also healthy because I usually eat salads for the dinner but salad खाने का मन नहीं कर रहा था. So I thought that I'll maybe make pesto pasta because I wanted to do something with spinach and beans. So pesto sauce here, mixed spinach and beans, and I have added some garlic cloves and basil. And here's the cheese that I'm gonna add because if you're a lazy cook like me, you can avoid the leftovers. Here I have added here some spinach, some basil leaves, cheese. I also added a few of the beans because I wanted to use the leftover beans. Anyway, and salt to taste. Okay, so मैंने पेस्टो सॉस तो बना लिया है, बट कैसे कितना डाल के बनाया ये तो मुझे भी नहीं पता. It just smells nice. तो अभी मैं इसको I've taken a pan और उस पैन में मैं थोड़ा ऑयल डालकर अपने इस पेस्टो सॉस को गर्म कर रही हूँ. एंड तब तक I had kept the pasta ready. I had put some oil and salt and brought the pasta to boil. Now it's soft, just like my heart. And I guess it's time we can mix them both. So if you're wondering कि why am I not showing you कि मैं क्या कैसे बना रही हूँ, why am I just speaking, the reason is that I'm short on resources, okay, and just felt like recording it for you guys so that just in case if you want to make the sauce with me and of course the pasta with me, you could do it together. And my dearest friends are not here to capture this, so that's how I'm managing it on my own. And by the way, did I tell you that you've got to add cheese? I think I've added cheese, but I want it to be a little more creamy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some cheese ऊपर से. Now I guess it's time to add the pasta. Don't worry, I'm gonna show you how it looks because I'm sure it's gonna taste delicious. We should not go by looks, yeah. Never judge a book by its cover. Looks are deceptive too, so. Show time. So this is how beautiful my pasta looks like. I mean, ठीक है. I think pasta थोड़ा overcooked हो गया था इसलिए pasta कम दिख रहा है, but it looks decent. Pesto तो लग रहा है ये. Just taste it and see how good it is. Genuinely अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा बना है. I can taste the basil, the garlic, the cheese. Oh my god, you're so good. I'm so proud of you, Mahima. Well done. You're the best cook in this world. So my work wife is finally home, and it's 4 in the morning, and we're gonna see how she likes it.
Bro, ये green क्या है?
भाई ये पेस्टो पास्ता है.
Okay. थोड़ा सा break हो रहा है.
हाँ भाई.
देखने लायक कुछ है भी तो नहीं. I love you, Hannah Montana. क्या है ये सब? दिखता नहीं. मेरी भी कोई जिंदगी है.
Hey, amazing.
अच्छा होगा अगर मैं चैन से बात कर सकूं. आपका नाम सुने.
भाई पेस्टो वाला फील आ रहा है.
बहुत ज़्यादा भाई. क्या taste है इसका?
मैं जानता हूँ Hannah
बहुत ही
Montana
प्यारा
को.
है.
और मेरे पास कल के शो के तो टिकट्स भी हैं.
Okay,
Alright, come with me.
approved.